Dogman, The Scarlet Cheddar by Dave Pilkey. Chapter 1, The Best Dogman. Jeeves, Dogman! I can't believe that Nurse Lady and me are getting married today. Now remember, you're my best dogman. Pat, pat, pat. You have to be a good doggy. No peeing on the floor, no pooping in people's shoes, and you must take very good care of this ring. Hey! You better not eat this ring. I mean it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Just hold it in your hand until I ask for it, okay? Salute. Good dog, man. Pat, pat, pat. Ding dong, ding dong. Come on, buddy. It's time to go. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Soon. And now, Lil Petey and Molly will sing the traditional bridal chorus in D major. Ahem. Here comes the bride, all dressed in white, stepped on a turtle, and down came her girdle. Here comes the groom, all dressed in blue, tripped on a rocking chair and came down his underwear. Here comes the judge, all dressed in black, fell on a fancy rose and came down his pantyhose. What is wrong with you children? Relax, relax, Judgy Wudgy. They were awesome. Yeah, we were awesome. Judgy Wudgy, sit down and let's get this over with. Do you take him? Heck yeah. And do you take her? Sure, why not? Okay, put a ring on it and make it snappy. Sweet! Okay, Dogman. I need the ring. Pow! Flunk. I knew you wouldn't eat it. I saw him lick it a few times. And so... Okay, you're married. Now scram. Oh yeah? I ain't leaving without a kiss. A cheesily animated kiss. Introducing Fliporama. Wait, they're gonna kiss? In front of everybody? Is this appropriate? Calm down, kids. This happens at everybody. It's very wedding and it's very romantic. Liporama. Poochie smoochy. And sometimes it's gross. So anyway, we're leaving for honeymoon. So whoever catches my hat gets to be chief while I'm gone. Zoom! Catch. Oh no! She's the cop who hates Dogman. That's right. So you'd better watch your step, 'cause there's a new chief in town. Mwahaha! Chapter 2. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm the boss now. And Dogman's days are... Hey, where's Dogman? He was just here 2 pages ago. Then, Stinkorama. Every dog has his spray. I don't know what Dogman is up to, but I'm gonna find out. Mwahaha! Mwahaha! Ruff, ruff, ruff. Bam! Splat! You got skunk juice all over How could things get any worse? Dogman! You pay for this! Meanwhile, hey! The wedding's over, so get lost! How rude! I'll just lock these doors and sniff sniff. What's that horrible smell? Suddenly, vroom! Pow! Clunk! Hey! Get out of my newly rebuilt city hall! But then, clunka clunka clunka, crack, crumble, brumble, kersmasha basha, crackle crackle crackle, smoosh. Look what you made me do! It wasn't my fault! Was not. Hey, let's blame Dogman. Yeah, it's our world against his. Wahahaha. Dogman's in trouble again. ADHD, don't fail me now. Whoosh. Quick, take Dogman home. Whoosh. Yoink. And so, you can run, Dogman, but you can't hide. Wahahaha. Chapter 3, The Tomato Juice Solution. Later, boy, Dogman sure smells bad. He reeks like a stinkered bug's diaper gravy. He stank a dank like a dung beetle's armpit cheese. He funk a dunk like a pickled rotten egg with anchovy butt sauce. Don't you have a home? Yeah, well, it's time to go there. We have enough problems without you being disgusting. Okay, smell you later. Hey, Papa. What? How come we're washing Dogman with tomato juice? Because tomato juice gets the stink out. Why? Because it neutralizes the odor. Why? Because it reacts chemically. Why? Because it changes the composition of skunk spray. Why? Because the carotenoids and lycopene in tomatoes break down the sulfur-based compounds in. Are you even listening? No. Look, tomato juice works. End of story. 2 hours later. It didn't work. The tomatoes just dyed him scarlet red as 1,000 sunsets. Welp, at least it can't get any worse. Worsorama. Stinkle sprinkle. Hey, look! It did get worse. Welp, at least it can't get worser. Kaboom! Will you stop saying that? But Papa, look! The rain is washing up the tomato juice. The rain is a good thing. It just depends on how you look at it. Whatever. Meanwhile, in the dark blanket of night, a sinister shadow emerges. Crash!